Hi, my name is Mark Wirtz. I'm a National Coordinator with the Boilermakers National Apprenticeship Program. We're here in Oak Lawn, Illinois doing training for all our instructors across the country. We've got classes going all day long. It's fantastic. We had a great speaker this morning. We hope the instructors take a lot back with them when they go back home and to their apprentices and just produce better apprentices for the organization.
Good afternoon. My name is Jamie Ratliff with Boilermakers Local 169, and we are in Oak Lawn, Illinois for our Boilermaker Instructor Conference. It's been a great conference so far. Did a course on 4 lenses this morning, identifying different types of behaviors so we can best train our new apprentices, and looking forward to the rest of the conference.
So hi, I'm Jim Mossman, and I am with Lincoln Electric, and I am here at the Boilermakers Instructors Conference. And Boilermakers use welding in everything that they do. So Lincoln Electric is a proud supporter of the Boilermakers and all of the trades, and that's why we're here, to work with them and to show them some of our newest, latest equipment. We got the Vertex 360 Compact Virtual Welder, and we're working with that. High score of the day gets a hat today, and we have new poster packs and books that were available to everybody. All they have to do is sign up and we'll send them the best.
This conference was started up about 6 years ago. We decided it'd be good to get the instructors from all over the country to meet each other, to exchange ideas, and give them a little more tools they can take back to their apprentices.
Dedication and ability that we can train the safest and highest skilled workforce in the industry. Your commitment to excellence ensures that our apprentices are equipped to meet the challenges of today's workplace and uphold the highest standards of quality and safety today and for years to come.